Yeah, so one of my favorite things to do is on the weekends, get up really early, not like super early, but like try to be out of the house by 8 a.m. and go to Super Walmart, kid free, and just get a cart and just slowly walk up and down the aisles. If you go early in the morning, there's like the crazies aren't out and it's super less busy. Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Smile, there's mine. Emily here. Hope everyone is doing fabulous out there. Hello you guys. Today I am just going to share with you some awesome finds and purchases that I have done for the month of February. Mainly it's stuff from Target, Amazon, Walmart, and I just want to share those things with you. I love shopping. If you're watching my channel, you most likely love shopping as well. And some of these items might be something that you could possibly be interested in. If you are new, welcome. I normally do like clothing unboxings and just share different types of things I like to buy. So if that's something you're interested, feel free to subscribe and hang out. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump on in. Now that spring is kind of feeling like it's in the air, I am looking for not necessarily booties, more like shoes that I can wear to work that are cute and comfortable. And I found these loves. These are just some classic white loafers. And I got these at Target and they are amazing. I really love the white. It's not like a really sharp, like stark white. It's definitely white, but it's not like blinding. I've had white shoes in the past that were like, oh my gosh, way too white, and I couldn't even wear them. They were just too much. I do love the contrast of the tan heel and the little gold clasp. I think that's super cute. I think these will look good with any type of cropped denim. And they can really even play up all the way into summer, and just a really great teacher shoe, cute but comfortable. So that's a win. I'll be also, as you will see, popping in pictures of price points and things like that. I will try my best to link all the items below if you're interested in getting something for yourself. All right, next we're gonna kind of jump into Walmart. Those loafers are fabulous and they're from Target, and I do have to say Target has some great shoes, some great home good things, but I have just been not finding success with Target's clothing lately. I don't know what's going on. I have been finding better success with Walmart clothing, which is totally awesome. So I don't know, comment below. Do you guys feel that as well? Like, I don't know. Like Target, I'm willing to spend my money with you. Like, come on, give me some things I want. But yeah, I just haven't found anything. So we're now gonna jump into Walmart, where I tend to find everything that I just absolutely love. And we're gonna start with my most loved item. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is the dupe for the Bearfoot Dreams blanket. I got this for Christmas. This is like my favorite thing ever. This is like my blankie. We have a 2-story house, and like I will be almost falling asleep upstairs, and if like I don't have my blankie, I will get my butt up and I will actually walk downstairs, which is a lot because once I'm done, I'm done. Like, I love this blanket so much. So I already talked about it and shared it, but it is also a really great gift item. I have one of my dear friends is going through surgery, and I was just like, man, I want to get her something, but like, what do you get, you know, someone when they're going through something like that? And I was thinking comfort, and then I was like, what is so comforting to me is my blankie. And like, oh my gosh, maybe she would love it too. It comes in really fun different prints. So it is a great price point. It is so soft. And I was telling her, I was like, this is the Bearfoot Dreams dupe. So instead of, you know, spending like $150 at Nordstrom or whatever it is, the Walmart knockoff is just so good. Like, I love it. Like, I'm probably gonna just buy it for everybody, and then I'm probably gonna have one like in my car, like downstairs, upstairs. Like, it's just so good. I just love this blanket. I have also noticed, since I'm talking crap about Target has come up with their own dupe version. It's not as good, you guys. It's not. Just don't even go there. Just go straight to Walmart. Much better. And Target's dupe is more expensive, so just pass on by that. Go over to Walmart. Super cute prints. All right, sticking with Walmart, I usually do the grocery pickup, and in our little town we just have like a small grocery Walmart. But in a town near us, we have like the super Walmart. So once a month, I head on over to the super Walmart where I find a lot of cute clothing items. Some things are very, hit and miss, but I have found some really cute things. One thing is this super adorable graphic tee. This one says Rolling Stones. Actually, my husband saw it and he was like, that's really cool. He doesn't really comment on clothing very much, but this is just so cute. It has the little tour in the year. So this is really fun to dress up. Again, I'll pop in pictures with price points. I also found a graphic sweater that is really warm and comfy, kind of oversized. You can wear it with leggings. I'm all about like comfy athleisure right now. I don't know what it is, probably just because it's winter. I just want like oversized sweaters and tennis shoes. That's my jam right now. And leggings, right? I also wanted to recommend, oh my gosh, you guys, I am obsessed with the Dr. Teals anything. I take baths. Like, it's like my favorite thing to do. Seriously, just take a bath. So I have been getting all the different kinds of Dr. Teals. Normally I do like the lavender one. But sometimes I like take a bath in the morning if I don't have to work. So this one was really cool. Calm Your Mind. And this one has some big words. Ashwagandha, winter cherry, helps with comfort and distressing of the mind. We all need that. Essential oils to help calm the mind and body. So this is really good. Normally I just do a little bit of boop of that, and then a lot of this. And then this one is a wellness therapy with rosemary and mint. And this is kind of like more of the salts. What is really cool is you can mix these two together in your hand, and then you can like exfoliate with them, which is really nice. So this one helps with eases the aches and soreness from muscle pain, helps promote healing and well-being, comfort, and relaxing tired, overworked muscles. So like you could do these two things, and the price point of these are really good. You could do like these two things in a Bearfoot Dreams blanket, the Dupe, the Walmart one. And like, what a great gift for any aged person, especially if they're just trying to like relax, or if they have some sore muscles or something going on with their body. So good. Also, if you're super crafty and you like to kind of give signature gifts, you could even make an exfoliating scrub with these. You could do lots of different kinds of scents. They have so many different, different kinds of whatever I'm trying to say. You guys know what I'm trying to say. And like put them in a little glass jar, and you could like do a cute little label and hand those out as gifts to people. That can be really fun too. All right. And then additionally in Walmart, now I know, pretend the pretty lid's on here. I know everybody has a favorite dry shampoo, but I just couldn't find one that I liked. I just felt like they either didn't do their job, or they left my hair kind of gritty, which I know it's kind of supposed to do that. But I have a major back part situation. Like the hair back here that I have is very short because it doesn't really like to grow. And then I kind of get that like part here if I don't like fluff it up. But this stuff works so good. Kind of just shake it out a little bit. And yes, I'm blonde, but like my daughter has brown hair and she gets pretty greasy, and I've done it with her hair, and it works for any hair color. You just kind of have to shake it up a little bit because it does go on kind of like white first, but it also just kind of like makes it really piecey and separated. So anyways, love this stuff. What is it? Colab Dry Shampoo Extreme Volume. You can also get this at Target. I have before, but I was super excited to see that they had it at Walmart. To Amazon. Now, Amazon, like I said, I can get sucked in, especially with clothing on Amazon. So cute. So I did get a few oversized trendy sweaters. Well, here's this first one. Again, like I was saying before, like I really just want to be in leggings, oversized sweater, tennis shoes. And now that I'm like teaching dance a couple days a week, I find that's what I'm wearing often. So this sweater is so soft. It's so good. It does have like the little zip up kind of action here, but it's not a hoodie. And I was actually didn't want a hoodie. I felt like, I feel like the hoodie like can kind of, I mean, the hoodie's great, but I just wanted something without a hoodie. That's what I'm trying to say. When I'm stretching and bending over, the hoodie would always like fall over my head, and I was like, that's not great. Like I want people to see me and me to be able to see my people that I'm working out with. So that was a great purchase. Additionally, as we've all known, Lululemon, super amazing, but you follow me, you know me, I'm super cheap. I'm not going to spend that much money on a Lululemon sweater, but I knew Amazon had a really great dupe for it, so I bought this one and I absolutely love it. It's cropped, but not like extremely cropped. It has the nice warm pockets. It's a half zip. I know they kind of have both a full zip and a half zip. I like the half zip. It's just really good quality. It's not like super scuba material, but it is, it's a little bit softer than that, and it's warm, and I just think it's super cute. So happy with that purchase as well. So another thing I bought on Amazon, of course, I have children, and I always am buying them stuff as well. I'm not going to share all those things with you because you don't really want to know about her softball pants and, you know, the things that the kids need. Like, kind of boring. But this is cool. Okay, so, you know, how fun is this? These, you guys, are claw clips. I'm not going to open them up. I'll open one up. So we are literally at the age, my children are, where we go to birthday parties like every weekend, which is great. Love to celebrate our little friends. But, you know, always buying stuff. But the girls right now are so into these claw clips, right? And these are so cute and such cute quality. So on Amazon, you can buy a whole pack for not very much money. Look at all the fun colors. So these are great because, of course, we'll get her friends a few other things, but throw in one of these little fun flowered claw clips. How adorable. Good quality. In fact, I was in Fort Bragg on vacation over summer, was it? Maybe. No, it was it was November. Not that that matters. And I went to this super cute little boutique, and they had some of these, but they were selling them for like $13 each, where I'm not remembering the price, but these are much cheaper than that and just as good of quality. So super cute little gift to give out if you have any little teens, tweens, or nieces in your life, something like that. Also, I had been needing some underwear. Underwear is expensive, and I'm like kind of picky about my underwear, so Amazon saved the day again. These, I would say they are good. Are they the best underwear I've ever had? No. Would I buy them again? Yeah, I probably would, because they're good. They are thong, but if you don't like thong, they have like the cheeky cut, they have more of a brief cut, so check that out. What I liked about these underwear is that they're seamless. They're beautiful colors. They're really good material where it's like stretchy. So if you have like your bloated day or whatever, it's not gonna like cut into your sides or your tummy. That's really great. I think the colors are really pretty. They wash up really well. So I think these underwear are amazing. One thing is normally I kind of size up with underwear just to be comfy. I have hips, so I always kind of like, okay, I'll just size up. I want it to be comfortable. These don't do that, okay? So I just bought my normal size of medium, hoping that they were going to be good because they were kind of like that seamless, stretchy material. They were fine. So don't size up. You're fine right with your size. If anything, if you're kind of in between sizes, you might even be able to size down just because they have a good stretch to them. But they are good underwear, and I did like them. Okay, now into some like random things. So I bought this awesome compost bucket on Amazon. Do I compost? Not really. It's more of, remember Rachel Ray, and she has like a garbage bowl. It's more of my garbage bowl, but I only put scraps of food in it, but that could go to my chickens or my goats. I'm all over the place. So we live on a farm here, kind of, a little mini farm. We have goats, we have chickens. So what's great is anytime I am cooking a salad or even just chopping the ends off of, you know, fruits and vegetables or the core of the apple or whatever it is, I can just, or even a loaf of bread, you've got the heel of the bread, you can throw that in there. And then my little son will just, you know, carry it out to the goats and dump the bucket. So I thought this was really pretty because it's very like farmhouse style, and we definitely live in a farmhouse, so it went really well with our aesthetic. I think it looks cute. It can sit on the counter and look nice. It doesn't look like, you know, oh my gosh, there's a bunch of like food in there that might be moldy. Like, I know that sounds gross, but this is okay. This is the life we live. I actually feel better about not throwing away so much food. Another random thing is we have a few cats. We have 3 cats, but the 2 cats that live inside, their nails are crazy, and you know how they like to kind of get in and scratch and rip at things. So I bought this cat muzzle. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this. It's kind of funny. So yes, it actually works. If you can get your cat to be calm and attach this to their head, that's the whole thing, is kind of catching them in their calm moment, attaching it to their head, and then it comes with the scissors that are really good at clipping their nails. It's very much worth it, I think. Helps save your furniture, and you know, doesn't freak the cat out. When the cat's head is in that thing, of course they're not going to be biting you, but I think it almost kind of, at least with my 2 cats, kind of puts them in a little bit of a trance. I think their whiskers are kind of maybe hitting the sides of it, so they're kind of just like, what is happening? And then they let you clip their nails. So I don't know, plus it just looks funny, doesn't it? I don't know, whatever. Guys, well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give the video a like, and I will be seeing you guys soon on the next one. If you liked any of these items, they will be listed below, and I hope you all are doing fabulous. Take care. Okay, bye.